everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be creating some opal nails. So the lovely Karen from Nail Sugar, she done some opal nails as well, and I wanted to do some too because I love them. So I'm going to be using Eskimo Kisses. This is micro mylar. I love this one. Oh, it's so nice. I'm going to link the video to her opal nails in the description box below, so you can go and watch hers too. We do it slightly differently. This one is called Decadence. I love this one too. I just love all the micro mylars, they're so nice. The next one I'm using is called Crystalline. Now I don't know if this one was just in the advent calendar or not, but I've kept this one as well because it's really nice. They're all really nice. I've said that before, I'll say it again. They're really nice, they're nice. You need them all. So I've got a tip, and I'm going to be using Madam Glam's Builder Gel. This is their builder in white, and if you put it on thin enough, look, you can make it look kind of milky. See? See? So what I'm going to do is, normally you would prep your nails, you would dehydrate, etc, etc, put your base coat on, and then go in with your Builder Gel, but because I'm using a tip, I am just going to go straight in with a thin layer of the white Builder Gel, and I'm going to pop this in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm using this old brush. I do need a new brush. This one is so tatty. I'm going to put some of each of the micro mylar in a glitter tray, and then I'm going to use the fluffy brush, and we're going to just pick. No, we're not going to pick. We're going to poke the brush into the micro mylar. Poke, poke. And then we're going to dab it onto the tacky layer of the Builder Gel, and we're only going to put this in patches, and then I'm going to move to the next colour and put that on in patches too. Then I'm going to move on to the last one, and I'm just going to I'll tell you what you could do. You could just mix up all the mylars. You could just have a little mix of all the different coloured micro mylars in a pot or something, but instead I've put them all separately in a little glitter tray. Then I am going over with another thin layer of that white Builder Gel. So you want to keep the layers thin so that you can see the micro mylar through the Builder Gel. And then I'm going to cure that in the lamp again for 60 seconds. It looks nice already, doesn't it? It's not a milk bath nail, it's a milk opal nail. And then I'm going to just go in with another layer of the micro mylar. If you're doing this on a short nail, you probably will only need one layer of micro mylar, because the nail will end up, it'll probably be quite thick if you put more. You know, you don't want it, you don't want thick nails, do you? So if you're doing this on shorter nails, I would stick with one coat, but because this is a nice long tip, I'm going to do 2 coats, and this one I'm going to keep thin-ish because I'll still want to be able to see the micro mylar underneath. And then I will cure that in the lamp once I'm happy, and then on top of that I'm going to go in with Pure Serenity. This is their clear Builder Gel. I'm just going to, with this one, I would probably like create my structure or whatever, but because I'm only putting it on a tip, I'm just going to put like a layer of this over the nail, just so that when I come to file it, I don't want to file through the milky, the white Builder Gel, because that's going to be like our opal, so I don't want to, yeah, that's why I'm putting this over the top. So I'm going to wipe off the tacky layer now it's cured in the lamp, and then I am going to give it a file. I don't file it that well actually, but I am going to file it, just not very well. It wasn't intentional, I probably just got a bit lazy. So give it a file, make sure it's nice and smooth, and then we've got this, but we're going to come back to this later. I'm going to do another one of these. I'm going to do exactly the same, so I'm going to repeat the process on another tip. And then on that nail I'm taking some Perfect Brown from Madam Glam, and I've got some Perfect Black as well, and I'm going to put this, I'm going to mix a little bit of this in with the brown because I want it to be, I don't really know what I was trying to do here. I don't know why I went for these colours. I probably would have gone different colour. I wanted it to look more like it was in the earth, you know, like it needed to be mined out. So I went for a darkish, yeah. I'm just putting the black in to make it a little bit more darker. A little bit more darker, a little bit more dark. And then I'm going to put a little bit of black on the side here. And then I'm going to use my Born Pretty ombre brush to scoop a little bit of that gel polish up. This is the brush here, you see? So I'm going to pick a little bit of the black up, and then I'm going to pick a little bit of the brown up, and then I'm going to place them on the nail, and they're just going to kind of mibble. And I'm going to put this on like around the outside of the, how am I going to describe this? Like, I was just going to put a bit on the top and a bit on the bottom, but I'm going to curl the gel polish round so it looks like, I'll show you in a minute. I'm just faffing a bit now. So I was like, okay, yeah, so I'm going to curl this up around here, and then I'm going to curl it up around the top. There we go. Kind of looks like it's in wood, but it was meant to look like it was in a stone or in like dirt, like it needs to be mined out. Right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm using some gold leaf. You can get this from Nail Sugar. And if you want to get 30% on any Madam Glam gel polishes or builder gels, you can do so using my code NatMug30. It'll save you 30%, obviously. Or you can become a VIP, where you get 50% off all the time. What it means is they will debit your account $29 every month, and then that will store in your account as like store credit. So that's always good. So you can save it up for a few months, or you can use it every month, buy yourself a few gel polishes. So I'm going to put the gold leaf on the tacky layer of the gel polish. There we go. Around the edges there. Yeah, so if you don't want to become a VIP member, VIP, Madam Glam VIP, you can just use my code NatMug30. You can also use code NatMug10 all in caps to get yourself 10% off at Nail Sugar as well. Everybody loves a bargain. So I thought that would probably just do it. I thought that would be enough, I think. So I'm going to use Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Gel to top coat the nails. Because that gold leaf is really, really fine, you don't get any, you don't really get any, you don't get any like pokey uppy bits. If you press it down into that tacky layer, it's good. I like gold leaf. I don't use it a lot actually. I should probably use it a bit more. Anyway, look, you can see the micro mylar through that white gel. It just looks really nice. I like it a lot. I love the way Karen done hers with the pigments. I thought that was really clever. I would never have thought to have done it like that. I thought I'd try and do a black opal. So I'm using Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm applying 2 coats of black gel polish to my tip. The gel polish cures in an LED lamp for 30 seconds. I'm using their, I want to say it's their Holly lamp. It's the one with the pretty patterns on it. It's the Madam Glam lamp I'm using. And then I'm just kind of going to repeat the process using the white gel polish, because you still want there to be that kind of, well, have a look, Google black opals. You kind of, yeah, you want it to be, you want the background to be dark. I love black opals. In fact, I love all opals. They're so nice. So again, I'm just mixing up the colours and placing them on that tacky layer of the builder gel. I've done that just to make sure that they were kind of flat on there. Not that it matters really, because we're going to cover it up with gel again, but I'd rather the mylar stick to that tacky layer and not end up in my brush of my builder gel. If it does, just wipe the brush of the builder gel off before you put it back in the bottle, because you don't want to contaminate the builder gel. I was going to say top coat. So there we go again. Look, I'm just putting a thin layer down. We don't want this to be too thick because you still want to see the opal, but being on that black background, it just really makes the mylar, just gives it a lot more fire, I think. Okay, then I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And it's very straightforward. We're just going to repeat the process. I did go out a shot here, so I do cut it out a bit. I do cut a bit out because it's like no one wants to watch my fat thumbs. Ta-da! There we go. And then again, I'm just going to go over with the white. No, this is the Pure Serenity. I decided not to add an extra layer of white to this one. I'm not sure why. So I'm just going over with a layer of the clear builder gel now. And I do hold it upside down before I pop it in the lamp, because you know what I'm like for holding things upside down. 60 seconds later, and I'm going to wipe off that tacky layer. I'm using, what's it called? What's that stuff called? Isopropyl alcohol, just to clean it off. You can use gel cleanse or, you know, gel cleanser, whatever they call it. Gel residue wipe off solution, you know, that kind of thing. Same thing. There we go. Give it a file again. And I'm going to leave that one plain. I've left a plain black opal, a plain white opal, and then the one that's supposed to look like it's kind of still in the ground, but it's not really. So yeah, so it's top coat time. I love top coat time. It's my favourite bit. Look. Oh my gosh, I just love these. So don't forget to check out Karen's. Some of you might have already seen Karen's video doing this, because it was just bloody amazing. And while you're there, give her a subscribe as well, because she does, if you're interested in hard gel, she does a lot of hard gel nails, which is brilliant. So I try and stick to acrylic, and she can stick to the hard gel. There we go. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. And I will see you lot tomorrow. I haven't got any videos. I'm really struggling to make videos at the minute. Do you know what I need? I need a little holiday. I'd love that. Yes, I would. Oh my god. Anyway, right. See you all tomorrow. Love you. Bye.